walking up this big old ramp. So Jerry can back this bad boy up and empty it. I've never been up here. I mean, I'm usually in the truck, but it's pretty cool. All right, let's see him back this thing up. Usually when it rains, it gives him a hard time backing it up, but we emptied one yesterday and he surprisingly didn't have any issues, and it was actually currently raining. So let's see how he does with this one. No, it doesn't look like he had any issues backing it up, but typically it's not the issue of backing it up with the trailer on. It's the issue with when he has to disconnect it to empty it or to pull the tractor forward. So basically what this is, this trailer is full of wood chips. So what he'll do is he will disconnect the tractor from the trailer, and then he'll pull forward with this, pull the tractor forward, and then this machine will somehow, which I don't understand how it keeps it latched, but you guys will see here in a few minutes. It's going to tip it all the way up and into the back of the trailer, so it's pretty cool. So stay tuned. Trailer looks like with the wood chips. Make sure I don't fall. You want to tell them what you're doing?
Gotta get this shit loose so I can hold the door. So I got nothing to hold it.
So he's got to hold the doors back because he's got to empty all of those wood chips. Wow.
The rope to grab this shit, I left it in the car.
Oh shit.
So I found this, so I gotta improvise.
Sometimes you do what you got to do.
So I broke that rope apart. So I gotta do this.
So now he is having to disconnect the tractor from the trailer, and then he's gonna have to move the tractor up a little bit, because in just a sec you guys are gonna see this trailer up and in the air. You guys, I just don't understand how this gets tipped like that. It's insane.